The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Habaikan bekno pathai kubor hak arpo trik unai wiang arajar arpusan usembut menteri rangba kejala uba Sniawbhalang dhar. Ulong bagajing Pynitynnad eka Khyndailad mentah kalaya Shakhmat bat kumtai kene project ansala banten tre kampura bha hadien beladap banten prano agi yang dorbar tauan keberim. Hadien beladap banten kendria apat ya kayeng dorbar tauan kebatemai mentah kebadan han mau diang-diang. Ulong hadien badat kerja kumta kinsa sedang hi kaman Pynitynnad eka Khyndailad bat kum bakalong mentah kejepun kre detail project report ru kelajan dep. Ha kaban sesna di jaka yat kai kipat ba kilenti yat kejat kijaka thung sentio bat kibe-kibe. Ha kabedai bat ke MTC shopping mall uba Sniawbhalang dhar ule thu be kanie kejingte en pendap aka senem kebanwan bat kum bakalong mentah kejing pendap kejingte kalakot ya ka prapsan hado prapuprana kesispa.
Not pending, we are in the process of beautifying it. You know very well because even the old assembly is yet to shift to the new one. As soon as we shift to the new one and we will go for the full beautification of the area. The DPR is under process as of now. We have to because the DPR has been prepared already and a very nice one. So maybe when everything is completed, when the data is full, you will be able to see it even the website also.
So the entire assembly, old assembly will be taken.
Oh. So when they shift there, we have to dismantle this as per plan. Not yet finalized, as per plan, and we have to make a nice walkway and the footpath and the parking down there. Everything is under DPR. So we cannot beautify only partly, no. We have to beautify all around the junction. That is the reason we are still discussing as of now. And differently, we will be beautified it in the days to come. Now you see, we planning to do that, and we are planning to make it is a walking street also. You know, so in the meantime, some of the residents request us if you close this road, you may face problems. So in the meantime, we are discussing with them, and when everything is clear, we are planning to change the tile. We are planning to make all these flower pots all along the thing, and even the timings we have to set with the understanding both the resident and the government. So obviously like this, actually the target date of completion it should be by July next year. So hopefully let us wait till the actual date of completion is come, and only then I'll be able to highlight it.
So how much percentage now completed?
More than 80-85 I think. I'm not correct exact with me, but more than 80% is already completed.
So we also hear that tourism department is working with urban affairs for to revamp the whole Watts Lake area. Can you tell
That is as per plan and discussed from the tourism department, not from urban. Let us see. I have to update from the tourism, but what is that plan?